Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject Maths. Lesson 7. Raksha Bandhan. Tomorrow is Gopal's favorite festival, Raksha Bandhan. Gopal and Dhara cleaned their home and decorated it with flowers. Dhara's mother bought flowers, threads, and beads to make Rakhis. Each Rakhi needs one flower 5 times 1 is equal to 5 flowers. Example, 2 threads 5 times 2 is equal to 10 threads. Next example, 4 beads 5 times 4 is equal to 20 beads. Multiplication helps us count quickly when we repeat the same thing many times. Topic, Jagannath's sweet shop. Bappa wants to buy laddus for Atya, but it's hard to count them one by one. Let's group them. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. That means 3 laddus in each row, 3 rows. That's 3 times 3 is equal to 9 laddus. If we buy 2 boxes, 9 plus 9 equals 18 laddus or 2 times 9 equals 18. Next example, if we divide 18 laddus among 9 people, each person gets 2 laddus. That's 18 divide 9 is equal to 2. Now Dhara knows how to multiply and divide using sweets. Next topic, plants in the garden. Dhara saw a flower bed. There were 6 plants in each row. Let's count 8 rows. 6 plus 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 6 equals 48. That means 8 times 6 is equal to 48 plants. Or 6 times 8 is equal to 48. Multiplication helps us count rows and columns easily. Topic, visit to a farm. The children visit a farm and see chickens. Each chicken has 2 legs. 1 chicken is equal to 1 multiply 2 is equal to 2 legs. 2 chickens is equal to 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4 legs. 3 chickens is equal to 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6 legs. Example, 10 chickens is equal to 10 multiply 2 is equal to 20 legs. Now we can count by 2's, that's the 2 times table. Next topic, skip jumping game. Let's play the skip jumping game. Start at 0, jump to 3, then 6, 9, 12. Each jump is 3 more. That's called skip counting by 3. 1 jump is equal to 1 multiply 3 is equal to 3. 2 jumps is equal to 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6 and last. 10 jumps is equal to 10 multiply 3 is equal to 30. Jumping helps us learn multiplication. Next topic, fun way of writing tables. Mithil draws sticks in rows and columns. When we draw 5 rows and 2 columns, we see 5 multiplied 2 is equal to 10 red dots. Next topic, seashells. Dhruv collected 112 seashells. He used 28 shells for one necklace. He made one necklace. 112 minus 28 is equal to 84 shells left. Another necklace. 84 minus 28 is equal to 56 left. He keeps subtracting 28 to make necklaces for each friend. Subtraction helps him know how many shells are left. Thanks for watching.